On the name of all the local communities along all the high Andes, I want to say thank you so much, even in the name of our partners, our families, ACCIÓN, Global Forest Generation. This is just hope, future, economy, and the future of all the kids. We are going to plant more, of course. Papá, mamá, lo hicimos de nuevo, carajo.
ACCIÓN Andina is much more than a project in the Andes. It is a symbol of hope. It is a living proof that radical collaboration on a global scale is possible, and that unity in face of climate and human crisis is our biggest challenge. Thank you, everybody here. Thank you for this amazing Earthshot community. Thank you, my friend Tino. Thank you so much.